I'm going to hand over to Cristian now. Cristian, do you want to tell us a bit about the Earth Observation 101 course we're collaborating on?
Of course. Can you hear me?
We can. Perfect.
Well, first of all, hi everybody. So I'm new to this community, so it's nice to see you all here. So my name is Cristian, and I'm at the moment based in Oxford in an organization where I'm working with. It's a research center called Satellite Applications Catapult. So we deal with satellite technology in general, and I'm also a lecturer at the University of Oxford here in town. So as Steph was mentioning, so I'm here to introduce and to mention about the Earth observation course that we started uploading last Monday on the WILDLABS website. So this is like a course that we are running through October, more or less, or beginning of November, so over 4 weeks. And it's based on different subjects. So ideally, when we talk about this, Steph and I, about a year ago, so our objective was to give some knowledge to the conservation community about the Earth observation. So this course is actually for absolute beginners. So I won't enter into the very subtle technical details of Earth observation, which require actually a master course and a university course. But I just want to give you really an idea and an appreciation of what we can do with this technology. So the first part of the course, which was uploaded on Monday, is all about terminology and understanding which kind of data we have, what are we talking about, the physics behind it, so that we can move it to the second part of the course, which is coming next Monday, which is quite a fun one. So we will start seeing applications and also in the conservation. So not only directly in conservation, so we will see, for example, counting animals from space, penguin colonies, whales, elephants. So not only a direct application, but also indirect that can sparkle your ideas. So we will see, for example, problems linked to deforestation, linked to agricultural greening, or the status of plants and so on, water quality. Which are I'm sure that are touching some of your problems indirectly, but so that we can start having ideas of how we can potentially incorporate this source of data into your application area. So this will happen next Monday. Then the Monday after, in a couple of weeks, we will go a bit more in detail in a couple of projects where I will show actually how do we use this data. So how do we start a project that has Earth observation in it? The requirements, how do we gather requirements? How do we get data? How do we run the projects? And I have a couple of examples. One of them is it's on conservation, and it's on conservation corridors. So how we monitor those. And finally, the last week, I'll present a bit more some practicalities on it. So where do we get data? So how do we actually engage with the data providers? Or how do we process data? How do we generate results? So again, so this is like an overview that we wanted to give to you. It's all available, of course, for free. So this will stay in YouTube as well. And it's divided in short videos, so that if you're interested in only a specific bit and you want like a peel of 4 minutes about, I don't know, a specific sensor, you will find it in that way, or longer video. But yeah, it has been a pleasure really to do this, and I'd love actually to hear after the course or during the course your views about it. Some of you might already use this data. Some other might have some ideas, but I'm also here to cooperate. So if there is some interest and some potential cooperation or something that is coming out of it, I'd be very happy to participate and to get something out of it. So I don't have any slides. So this was just really a brief introduction and about the course, about myself, and this happened, and it will happen through October. And it's very exciting, and it's nice to see you all.
Thanks so much, Cristian. I know, Robin, do you want to jump in? As you were at our live watch party together on Monday. Any initial thoughts? I know you and Carly were definitely there.
Yeah, I liked it a lot. It was really great and had really beautiful visualizations. And I have to agree to Steph, I think, was talking about that you have a perfect voice for a course like that.
Thanks. Thank you.
Carly, I know you were asking about live Q&As. Did you want to ask Cristian?
Hi. So yeah, I was wondering if there was going to be any sort of like live, like synchronous kind of thing, like office hours or a live Q&A type thing, just to get there, because there are some things like that I think would just be easier for you to explain in person if you like have the slide and are like pointing to, you know, things than trying to like write out what you're saying.
That's a very good idea. So I think we need to set up something like that with Steph. So at the moment, what we have like in the platform, WILDLABS platform, we have like a space for questions. I think I've got already a couple, one from you, and we addressed those in this way. But yeah, I agree. This would be a nice way to, you know, engage more like live rather than yeah, you know, after some time. So let's arrange something with Steph on that. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, we've organized, so everything's like evergreen, so you can watch it at your own pace on YouTube, but we're also organizing live watch parties on YouTube, so we can watch it together and learn together, because it's a lot easier to do it when you're in a community, right? So we might see if we can pull you along after each week and just have some questions live there.
Yeah,
cool.
Of course.
Thank you so much, Cristian.